Hello viewers, I am going to show you now how to see your Facebook password if you forgot. Easy method. Now click on Facebook. Now click on three dot icon logo. Now scroll down and click on Setting and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Now scroll down. There are no option See Facebook password and follow my all step properly. Now click on the device settings and scroll down. Click on the Google. Tap your Gmail account. Click on Google account. Now click on the security option and scroll down. Tap on the password manager. Click on the Facebook apps. Your Facebook password is saved here. If you want, you can retrieve it from here. Thank you.